Hey everybody, this is your boy Hunter here, and I just want to say thank you for watching first and foremost. And if you are from TikTok, I did ask as many people as I can to come here, like and subscribe. If you did do so, please make sure to drop your TikTok handle so I can thank you here later on there. But today we've got a camper. It's an awesome one. It's the 2021 Salem 31KQBTS, and the theme of this camper is going to be sleeping space. You can bring a small army with you every day of the week. Let's start with this outdoor kitchen. It is large and in charge. You got a good size refrigerator, the sink, a swing arm grill, plenty of counter space, not much else you could possibly want on a camper. So we're going to head on inside, which is where I am right now recording this audio, and it is chilly in here. It is an upgraded 15,000 BTU AC compared to your typical 13.5 that you'll see in most campers. And right there, bam, sleeping space. And you will hear me say this a couple times today because it just does not stop. Underneath that couch there is storage, which I did not record, unfortunately. Right at that dinette, folds all the way down. You slime the arm out, and then check this out. This is crazy. I mean, any type of sleepover for your kids, any of your buddies, I mean, you can sleep them there for sure. And also, this is your Ever-Chill refrigerator there. It is a residential refrigerator. It is a really great size. You can fit in the food that you need for a camper that sleeps this many people. The microwave is a good size. The oven is a good size. It's got the burners up top, so that way you can do all your cooking inside or outside in that outdoor kitchen. And as far as the storage, you can see right here, 3 slide-out little drawers. Nice cabinetry here up top where you could fit, you know, cereals, anything that you need, any dry goods. You are good and ready to roll. And underneath the sink, there is a small area. It's nothing too large, but you can fit in, you know, a garbage can, some garbage bags, a couple extras there. You're good to roll. And this camper, like a lot of others, it does have the fireplace, but what makes this a little bit different, it's got a little extra storage space, but it has a bumping soundbar there. I mean, this thing is loud. It is awesome. You can play whatever music that you want. A huge area for a nice sized TV. And they snuck a little extra storage right here. Just another place to put some extra things. We all need that place for some extra stuff. And this, back to the sleeping. Check out this. 4 bunks, 2 slide outs. Bottom bunk folds up here if you want some extra playroom for the little ones. You are ready to roll, and a ton of storage back up against the wall that they snuck in, as you'll see there. A place for a TV so the kids can play Fortnite, watch movies, do whatever you got to do. On that rainy day, this camper has enough space so that way you don't have to deal with it, and they can have some fun in the back while you enjoy some adult time. Now over here to the right, there's 2 more bunks that I was referencing. You can lift that top bunk up so that way you can actually use the couch as a couch, or you can lay it down for the sleeping there. I love how they do that. Not a lot of companies will do that, and the Salem brand is one of them that does a great job. The bathroom is a good size, a nice little tub there, that way you can stand and shower. Snuck a little storage under the sink, a little bit more to the left, and a place to put all your toothbrushes, toothpaste, yada yada, everything that you need there. So let's head on into the bedroom, where I think you're going to love the storage that they snuck in under the bed. It is a huge area, accessible from the outside if you do need to. Just a massive little pass-through area, some organizing bins up front, and cabinetry above to put whatever you need. And to the left and to the right of your bed, you have that storage right there for some hanging items. But once again, guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing. Hopefully you like my videos. If you do, I greatly appreciate it. But I'm going to let you check out the outside here on your own. Thanks again, guys. Bye.